Let's take a look at how to create custom styles in a table. To apply a style to a table, you can click inside of your table anywhere. You can come up to the Design tab, and then from the Table Styles group, you could go ahead and pick a color. You could also just pick from the actual list out here as well if you'd like. Go ahead and choose this color here, and you can make some modifications to this at any time as well. I could come out here and I could take the coloring off this last column of the table by moving out under the Table Styles options and unchecking last column. And also, I have these banded rows that take place here. I could uncheck that as well, and then I don't have any of this horizontal banding taking place. Now, in addition to the built-in styles, which we've chosen for our first table, I can create my own customized style as well. I'll come down and click in my second table. I will come out to my Design tab under my Table Tools Contextual, and I will click the drop-down arrow for Table Styles, and I will go all the way to the bottom and I will choose Modify Table Style, and it brings up the Modify Table Style dialog. For my new style, I will go ahead and give this a name, and up here at the top I'll just type in Outlander Table, and if you'll notice, the Modify Style box we're looking at, the dialog that is, looks a lot like just the text and paragraph styles we were using before, but this time the style type is not character or paragraph, it is a table, so it takes on a little different look here. The style based on, we have several styles we can base this new style on. I'm going to come up here and from the colorful list I'm going to choose Colorful List Accent 1. And I'll modify this even more from here. From here, I'm going to choose what parts of the table I want to apply my custom formatting. Right now I'm applying to the whole table. I'm going to click the drop down arrow and choose just the header row, and then I will come out and find this box here, which is the fill color. And I want to fill the background, so I'm going to click the drop down arrow and choose this dark olive color for the background of my header row. Next, I'd like to change every other row out here, or the odd banded rows. So up here at the top under the Apply Formatting to, I'm going to go ahead and choose Odd Banded Rows, and I'll choose a different color. I'll choose this light green color. Maybe I'll do the same for the total row. Here, I'll come out under Odd Banded Rows, and I will choose the total row, and under total row I'll go ahead and change the background color. I'm going to go ahead and make this a completely different color. I'm going to go ahead and choose like a dark orange color for that guy. And I'm also going to change the font color. I'll move up here to the fill, or the font color rather, and I'm going to just choose this white color here. Now I have the look that I'm interested in. I'll go ahead and click OK, and it applies that formatting to my second table. Also up at the top under the table styles, you can see that my new style has been added as the first entry under the gallery, and if I point at it I see it says Outlander Table. If I click the drop down arrow, I can see it up here under Custom as well. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my first table. All I do is click in the middle of this table, click the drop down arrow here, choose Custom, and I have my own custom style applied to this new table.